Hi everyone, here we are back, and today we are making something super healthy and super delicious. We are making honey mustard roasted salmon on a bed of black lentils with some taro roots. So let's start cooking. So we're gonna start with our honey mustard marinade. First thing first, honey and mustard. 2 teaspoons of honey and 1.5 teaspoons of mustard. I'm using Dijon mustard, French mustard, how you wish to call it. Make sure all the honey goes in. This is the marinade for the salmon, so black pepper. I like it with a lot of black pepper. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We are pretty much making the dressing of a salad, but a little bit thicker. The juice of half a lemon. Make sure no seeds go in. And a good teaspoon of salt. Beat our marinade. Make sure all the ingredients are really blended together. For last, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of dry lavender. This is quite unusual, but it really perfumes the salmon and gives it something a little different. Now we put our salmon in. We make sure it gets everywhere. And I like to let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can start with our lentils and taro roots. Taro roots. Maybe you haven't heard about these ones. I just discovered them. And I was really excited about these because they are white inside and pretty much you treat them as a potato. But then I was reading about them and they are really good for us. It's actually interesting because they are a little bit slimy on the inside. Of course you can use potatoes if you prefer. So I'm going to simply boil these. But because they are a little bit white and I like color, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric. This will turn this water bright yellow and color our taro. So let's start now with our lentils. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, garlic is now browning, so we can add 50 grams of celery. These are chopped. 50 grams of chopped leek. And here we have our black lentils. I think they call it beluga lentils, but I'm not sure. So, black lentils because they are lentils and they are black. Now we can add a nice pinch of salt, some black pepper, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking the water from the taro roots, using the water with turmeric. Now our last ingredient to this will be our fresh herbs. For this recipe I'm using fresh meat. I really think fresh meat goes really well with lentils. The lentils really suck up the liquid, so you will have to add liquid throughout the cooking process. Just checking our taro. These are now cooked, so we can turn them off. A little bit more liquid. Cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just dry them to your taste. Al dente like I like, or a little bit more well done as you might like it. So we can go back to our salmon. The idea of this salmon is really caramelize through the cooking process. So your oven should be really hot. This way the salmon will cook really fast and will caramelize on the side and still be pink in the middle. Little bit of our marinade on top. Now look into our lentils. I have to try these. Not quite tough. Still a little bit of more liquid. Can now put our salmon in. These will go for 10 minutes maximum. So our lentils are almost ready, and our last ingredient will be a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. These will bring all the flavors together and really give another layer of depth. Our salmon is now ready. Make sure you have this glaze of honey mustard. These are now ready, and we are ready to plate. So now you go and try our salmon recipe, because I am busy.